there are techniques, very simple techniques are available. I embedded those information within that particular picture and they sent the picture. And people could not recognize it. It was very late, it was discovered that he had been sending the secret information by embedding. Now the systems are available, any image or any audio also you can embed any other information, and there are techniques for available on that. So security, authentications, non-reputations and integrity control, these are the aspects which has to be discussed. Now this is that, phishing is one of the very commonly used. What is there? You have end user 1 and you have a phisher. What you have end user means username, password, bank account, credit card or any other information, personal information is added. And then this is you are sending to the internet, www. And the phisher is, he will just take that particular information, the personal information to end user and make misusing. So this is the job of the phisher, and we have to, there are techniques which are available, how to prevent that type of operations. Now the phishing statistics is given here. What is the loss percentage for the .com and other organization? These are the data, I have just taken the data here. Next one. Now, these are three types of the some of the very commonly used attacks or the security threats, which are viruses, which are Trojan horse, worms, and backdoor, spyware, and some other. And there are some of the threats which are available, which are not known. So, do you have any technique? If the signature of any threat is known, right? What are the signature of those particular threats? It is easily to recover that. But if the signature are not known, it is a completely new type of attackers is there. Then there are very, very different techniques. If somebody is interested, I have my own book, which is published by CRC Publication, one of the top 3 publishers of the world. That book gives you the idea about honeypot, using the honeypots, how can you trap the attacker, right? And then find out if there are any new type of attack which are not known, whose signatures are not known, how to get that particular attacker. And then how to detect, how to characterize the attack, how to mitigate the attack, and how to trace back from where the attacker is involved. Because if you see that the connectivity to the internet only goes through an IP address. From one address which is going, for example, Graphicala, you will have only one particular connectivity to the internet ultimately. But you can only trace that it came from the Graphicala. But you cannot say that from who is the person, who is the culprit. So there are again the techniques have been developed, how to trace the exact concern who has attacked that particular network. So these are Trojan horse. I have just shown you the relative values. So majority is Trojan horse, which may affect from just one file, small file, deleting a file, to taking vital information from the hard disk even. Then you have viruses, very common type of viruses are also there. And then you have the worms and backdoor and spyware, and others mean some new which are not known yet, new type of attackers. These are the commonly used. Next slide. And defense mechanism means, for example, worm attacks, scanning network is there, patch management is there, anti-malware software is there, and firewalls. They are basically a type of filter. What type of information they are putting at different stages, they are designed different stages. Once you go out of the particular one to the internet, at that particular stage you are putting a particular firewall. So only just to ensure that only this type of information they will filter it out, otherwise they will, all the other information. They are not a foolproof, but most of the job they do, major job they can do that. Relevant information can only be inputted, other information can be filtered out. ISD and aimport based, that was the point which I was talking about, the honey paste. This is the most modern approach which I mentioned there, and which will just prevent the number of attackers and then any new attacker comes, that also being prevented. Next. And now this is cost of home attack, what is the cost? You can see that how much this is in $1 billion. So you can see that importance of security, how much important is there. That is the loss in $1 billion due to these only home. I'm not mentioning all the other. Next. And this is the internet worms. What are the targets? They are having computer system, they are having network, they are having other infrastructure. What are the target discovery? That is scanning, pre-generated target list, external generation, passive generation. What are the payloads? That is monolithic, polymorphic, metamorphic, propagation, embedded, exploit based, botnet. That is also botnet, also one of the very important aspects. Then activation, human activated, scheduling, self-activity. So these are the various type of worms which are given in internet worms. Next. Computer viruses, malicious software or malware, a program that can infect other programs by modifying them to include a possibly evolved copy of itself. It's copy itself and then just destroys the entire program. Likewise, Trojan horse, they do not replicate themselves. That is the difference. They will not replicate themselves. That is, malicious action can range from deleting a file to gathering information about user. It collects secret session keys from the user's hard disk and send it out over the internet. So that way your confidentiality, your security will be compromised. Okay? This is one thing which I have given the diagram, ecosystem, the ecosystem of the security. And in security and privacy, you have confidentiality, integrity, availability, accountability, and privacy preservation. First you have to show that what is the vulnerability, what is the scope of attack in the entire network. That has to be identified. Whenever you have, so for example, somebody is playing a cricket, right? And somebody is very weak in the, whenever short pitch ball is there. So whenever he comes and put the short pitch ball, or somebody is very weak in the leg spin. So whenever, so put in leg spinner whenever he is comfortable. So vulnerability. What is the scope for making that particular vulnerability of? Then what type of threats are there out of that? How to mitigate the threats? Then what type of defense mechanism has to be applied? These are some of the aspects which has to be seen. One. Thank you. This is, I have only given the overview. Now any queries or questions? I can show you a book on this. This is the book. This is CRC publication. Honeypot, this is a completely new approach for tackling any type of attacks which are not known previously, and how to elude the attackers for detection. Thank you.